Okay, so in this video, I will teach you how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide a fraction. Okay, so the first is addition of fractions. So for example, kung meron akong 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5, so again, pagdating sa fraction, meron tayong similar and dissimilar. So in adding similar fractions, so when we say similar, ibig sabihin, they have the same denominator. So again, in adding similar fractions, just copy the denominator. So kapag magkatulad lang ang denominator, so just copy, then add the numerator. So we have 2 plus 1, so that is equal to 3 over 5. Okay, so another example. So this is also a similar fraction. So x over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 2. So kung mapapansin nyo, magkatulad lang ang denominator. So again, in adding similar fractions, just kopyahin lang kung ano yung magkatulad na denominator. So that is x plus 2. Then add the numerator. So x, then plus 1. Okay, so wala na akong pwedeng i-simplify, wala na akong pwedeng i-cancel, therefore this is the final answer. So yun yung way kung paano tayo mag-add ng similar fractions. Again, similar fractions, these are the fractions having the same denominator. Kapag magkatulad ang denominator, just copy the denominator and perform natin yung operations sa numerator. Okay, so now, paano naman kung magkaiba yung denominator nila? So, for example, 1 over 8 plus 4 over 7. So, unlike kanina, magkatulad sila ng denominator. Ngayon, magkaiba na. So, ano yung kailangan natin gawin? You need to find the LCD. So, least common denominator, the LCM or least common multiple. Again, hanapin mo ano yung multiples ni 8 and ano yung multiples ni 7 na common sila parehas. Okay, so ano yung value na yun? So, that is 56. Okay, so the LCD is 56. Again, the LCD, ito yung value na pwede kong i-divide kay 8 at may makukuha akong exact na sagot. Walang remainder, walang decimal. 56, ito yung LCD. Ito yung value na kapag dinivide ko kay 7, wala rin akong decimal or wala akong butal or remainder na makukuha sa sagot. Eksakto lang. Okay, so after nun, kapag meron ka ng LCD, so yung LCD which is 56, divided by the denominator which is 8. So 56 divided by 8 is 7. And 7 multiplied by 1, which is the numerator, is 7. Okay, again, 56 divided by 8 is 7. Then multiplied by 1, that is 7. Okay, then copy the operation which is addition. So 56 divided by 7 is 8. Multiplied by 4 is 32. Okay, so next. 7 plus 32 is 39. Over, copy the denominator which is 56. And i-check natin, pwede ko pa ba siyang i-lowest term or i-simplify. Okay, so in 39 over 56, wala na akong pwedeng i-simplify, wala na akong pwedeng i-lowest term, therefore this is the sum of these two fractions. Okay, so kung medyo naguguluhan sa paghanap ng LCD, pwede natin gamitin si butterfly method. So paano ba yung butterfly method na to? Okay, so given the same example, so if I have 1 over 8 plus 4 over 7 is equal to. So again, paano ba yung butterfly method? Paano kapag nahihirapan ako maghanap ng LCD? So in butterfly method, you just need to multiply the denominator. Okay, so 8 multiplied by 7. Again, 8 multiplied by 7 is equal to 56. Okay, next. 1 multiplied by 7, itong numerator nito is imumultiply sa denominator ng second term. So, 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. Then, copy the operation which is addition. And itong denominator nito is imumultiply sa numerator ng second term. So, 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 32. Okay? So, that is equal to 32. Okay, so next, 7 plus 32 is equal to 39 over, copy the denominator which is 56. So, as you can see, magkatulad lang ang nakuha kong sagot kahit anong way ang gamitin ko. So, kahit gamitin ko or kunin ko si LCD, 39 over 56 ang nakuha kong sagot, at kahit ang ginamit ko is butterfly method, 39 over 56 pa rin ang nakuha kong sagot. Okay, so another example is 3 over x plus 4 over 5x. So this is an example of dissimilar fractions. So kung makikita nyo, hindi naman po magkatulad ang denominator. So again, in adding dissimilar fractions, you need to find the LCD. So ang LCD nitong dalawang fraction nito is 5x. So, balik ko lang yung sinabi ko kanina, no? Yung, when we say LCD, ito yung value na pwede kong i-divide dito sa dalawang denominator na to, at meron akong makukuhang eksaktong sagot. So, walang decimal, walang fraction, walang butal. Okay? So, bakit 5x? Kasi 5x divided by x is 5. 5x divided by 5x is 1. So, wala naman pong remainder or wala naman akong fraction na nakuha. So, LCD is 5x. 5x divided by x is 5. Then, multiply by the numerator which is 3. So, 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Then, copy the operation addition. 5x divided by 5x is 1. Multiplied by 4 is 4. Okay, so 15 plus 4 is equal to 19 over, copy the denominator which is 5x. So, wala na naman akong pwedeng i-cancel. Hindi ko na siya pwedeng i-simplify. Therefore, this is the sum of these two fractions. Okay, so next. Paano naman kung ang gagamitin ko is butterfly method? So, again, given the same example. So, 3 over x plus 4 over 5x. So again, butterfly method. Just multiply the denominator. So x multiplied by 5x is, again, x multiplied by 5x is 5x squared. So x multiplied by 5x is 5x squared. Okay, next. Multiply the numerator and the denominator of the second term. So, itong 3 multiplied by 5x. 3 multiplied by 5x is 15x. Okay, so next, x multiplied by 4 is, copy the operation, 4x. Okay, so in numerator, we have 15x plus 4x. So, 15x plus 4x is equal to 19x over, copy the denominator which is 5x squared. So, in 19x over 5x squared, meron akong pwedeng i-cancel. Pwede ko i-cancel si x sa numerator. At pwede ko tanggalin yung isang x sa denominator. Okay? So, that is 19 over 5x. So again, kahit ano ang gamitin kong ang way ng pagsasagot or pag-a-add ng fraction, kahit kumuha ko na LCD, 19 over 5x, at kahit ang gamitin ko is butterfly method, 19 over 5x pa rin. Basta huwag kakalimutan na i-simplify or i-lowest term ang bawat isa. Okay, so another example is 1 over x plus 2 plus 8. So, addition of fractions. Hanapin ang LCD at ang LCD nito is x plus 2. Okay, so x plus 2. Bakit po x plus 2? Ang x plus 2, pwede ko i-divide sa x plus 2 at meron akong eksaktong sagot. Ang x plus 2, pwede kong i-divide sa 1 at meron din naman akong eksaktong sagot. Walang fraction, walang butal. Okay, so x plus 2 divided by the denominator, which is x plus 2, is equal to 1. So, 1 multiplied by 1, the answer is 1. Okay, so next, copy the operation, which is addition. X plus 2 divided by 1 is x plus 2 multiplied by the numerator, which is 8. Okay, so step by step muna natin. Ano po? So, 8 multiplied by x plus 2. Okay, so that is equal to 1 plus this 8 i-distribute natin sa lahat ng term na nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, 8 multiplied by x is 8x. 8 multiplied by 2 is positive 16. So, over x plus 2. Okay, so that is equal to, combining like terms, so we have 8x. 1 plus 16 is equal to positive 17 over the denominator, which is x plus 2. Si 8x plus 17, wala naman siyang common term, common factor rather. So x plus 2, wala rin naman common factor. Itong fraction na to ay hindi ko na kayang i-simplify or i-lowest term pa. Therefore, this is the final answer. Okay, so let us now check kung same pa rin ba yung magiging sagot kung ang gagamitin ko naman is butterfly method. Again, given the same example, so 1 over x plus 2 plus 8. Okay, so that is equal to, multiply natin yung denominator. Again, kapag meron akong whole number, automatic meron naman po tayong 1 na denominator dyan. So, multiply natin ang denominator. X plus 2 multiplied by 1 is x plus 2. Okay, next. Itong numerator na to is imumultiply natin sa denominator ng second term. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Then, copy the operation, which is addition. Next, itong denominator ni first term ay imumultiply natin sa numerator ni second term. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 8 multiply by x plus 2. Okay, so next, 1 plus yung 8 i-distribute. So, 8 multiply by x is 8x. 8 multiplied by 2 is positive 16 over x plus 2. Okay, so that is 1 plus 8x plus 16. So, combining like terms, that is 8x. 1 plus 16 is positive 17 over x plus 2. So, again, magkatulad lang po ang sagot na nakuha ko. So, equal lang siya. Kahit ang gamitin ko is LCD o kaya kahit ang gamitin ko is yung butterfly method.